What's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel again. Today's video is going to be about my bike. uh, I'm just going to polish the engine as due to the heavy rains there's a lot of water droplets that have dried up on the bike. So I'll quickly show you how the bike looks at the moment, and I'll also show you what I will be using to polish the engine. As you can see, this is the this is an old engine, and this works with CDI ignition, so it does not require a battery to start. So as you can see, the engine, all the water droplets that have dried up in the far end corners. Products that we are using. So first is this Pitambiri. This is available at any of your supermarkets. You can just ask, or in case if you have any shop, any hardware shop, you should get it over there as well. It's not very expensive. Then we have the famous AutoSol polish. This worked like magic on the Interceptor that we have, and it has really shown great results, so we will be using this as well. And along with that, we have some steel wool. The steel wool is available on Amazon in case if you can't find it at your local store. So this is how you would generally scrub it. First, I had suggested you all to use water, but I can also suggest you to use some soapy water, so it is going to be much more easier. If you can see the small black marks that are there, even they go away after scrubbing it with this. So first I would suggest you use the soapy water and then scrub it in this way, and after you have scrubbed this whole unit, then you can use the Pitambiri, followed by AutoSol in the end as a finish. So now I had scrubbed it just with the wool, and now I put the Pitambiri. So this is how the process is supposed to be. Try to put your motions as in the motion of your hand movement in one direction, kind of, because I feel there might be minor, really minor scratches, but it's not really going to affect the bike that much. Browsing through YouTube, I noticed that there is no proper video on this particular bike or this particular engine type on how they actually clean it, because a lot of people pay money and they get the engine buffed, as they call it, but you may never know if it is really getting buffed, or people may be using this process, just polishing it, shining it, and giving it back to the customers. I hope so it is not that way, but just in case, this is a much more simpler, easier, cheaper way to get your engine cleaned, shining, and yeah. So I will show you the end result after putting the AutoSol, how it is. At the moment, I just used Pitambiri to scrub this with water, and you can already see the results on how it is. It is better than before, and if you can see the comparison between this and this, so it just needs more work. After this we will put AutoSol and we will see what is the result. It benefits as we are cleaning metal. So now you can just see the results. This is after putting the AutoSol and then shining it. Generally a lot of people have shown videos where they have cleaned their engines, but they have not really polished it basically, and that is why you don't get to see the actual results of AutoSol. AutoSol really makes a difference on especially on Royal Enfield, because I feel we are the only ones that have engines that can really we can really shine them, whereas the other bikes, no offense, but they don't have engines that can be polished and shined. So this is the actual result. You can just take a look. And I have used absolutely no drill or this kind of machine polish. I have done all this by my hand. So you can just imagine, if you have a kind of a drill with a polishing head at home, you can use that and you can get spectacular results. So you can just see the difference. It's almost near like a mirror finish. Alright guys, so that is I could mark this at the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Most of y'all who didn't have an idea on how to clean your bike, especially an old Enfield, this is the best thing to do. All the products that I've mentioned is really affordable. You don't really have to spend thousands of rupees to get it buffed by somebody. If you have the time and if you are willing, I guess you can do it yourself, and the results are spectacular. If you like this video, I would recommend you to like it and share it with people who are just beginning to take care of their bikes, or probably anybody else who are always kind of seeking for a solution how to clean their bikes. So this is my video. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye. Guys, this is added bonus, or should I say an added tip, what you could do with indicators like this. When I seen these indicators on my bike that had become like this, I had decided to change it because I thought the plating or the chrome on this has got spoiled, but I was wrong. I'll just show you what I can do with this, or what you could do with this in case if you're facing the same problem. You just need to spray a little bit of water. Okay, after spraying some water, you just take this wool and just gently start scrubbing it. Some more water and you can immediately see the difference. So that is how it used to look before, and this is after cleaning. What I have done is I have cleaned the rest of the indicators, and you can just see the difference.